Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your PlayStation 5 to your iPad. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 is either fully on or in rest mode. Next, you will download the PS Remote Play app directly onto your iPad from the App Store. Both your console and iPad need a robust internet connection. Ideally, a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for the best experience. Finally, have your PlayStation Network login details ready to sign into the app. Now let's prepare your PlayStation 5 for Remote Play. From the home screen, go to your System settings, scroll down to System, then select Remote Play, and ensure Enable Remote Play is toggled on. It is also wise to adjust your power save settings under System, Power Saving, to features available in rest mode. Make sure Stay Connected to the Internet is active. This ensures your console is always ready to connect. With your PlayStation 5 configured, open the PS Remote Play application on your iPad. You will be prompted to sign in with your PlayStation Network account. Use the exact same account that is linked to your PlayStation 5 console. Once signed in, the app will search for your console over the network. If it doesn't find it automatically, you can manually register it using an 8-digit code displayed on your PlayStation 5 screen, which you can find under the Remote Play settings. Once your console is registered and found, simply tap on it in the PS Remote Play app to initiate the connection. The app will then establish a secure link to your PlayStation 5. For the best experience, connect your PlayStation DualSense wireless controller to your iPad via Bluetooth. To do this, hold the PlayStation button and the Create button on your controller simultaneously until the light bar flashes. Then, select it from your iPad's Bluetooth settings. You are now ready to enjoy your games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.